floor, black frame, one post, then pain. The low end in my veins, you feel that strain. Bare bedroom, heavy air, step, stop, stare. Steel teeth in the dark, I'm already there. Hold that breath, count it down. Pressurize, shake the ground. Lock that door, then let it go. One more turn, watch it blow. Sublevel.